With Rule Breakers coming out a day from now and Road to the Knockouts going out of PEX relatively soon, we have a lot of market discussion to come. Now look, if you're losing coins, you're not on your own. Your boy is losing a lot of coins himself. And it's happening to everyone right now because the market is dying. And really, there's not a lot we can do about it. It just seems to be happening with every promo they bring out. The market's just going to keep dropping. And that's just how it is. But today, we have a couple of cards to talk about. So I actually want to talk about some Road to the Knockouts to begin with. So a lot of games are actually played this morning. And we have seen a massive price crash for a lot of these cards. You're looking at pretty much a half price Rttk, who's actually bouncing back relatively quickly. He was 160k, I think, an hour ago. So he's actually already on the bounce back. But you got cards like Bremer, who's at 60k. You've got cards like Sula only at 20k. A lot of these cards that are highly in demand. You're even looking at cards like Lamar. He's only at 75k with the amount of position changes you have with a card that links to a lot of players. A lot of these cards are dirt cheap right now. And we're seeing that because of the upgrade system this year. With these Road to the Knockout cards, it is important for you guys to take note of the fact that if you go onto EA's page right here, Road to the Knockouts, how they will work, each player or item has the potential for 2 upgrades. So they're not actually Road to the Final cards, as some, I know I to begin with thought they were. They're not Road to the Final. So basically, if they win 2 of their remaining however many games they have in their knockouts, a lot of teams only have 3. I think Rttk the only team, the only player that has 4 games still to play. If they get 2 wins, they get an upgrade. Not only that, if they progress to the next stage, so if they finish in 1st or 2nd place, they will also get a further upgrade. It is important to note that a lot of these teams actually did draw and lose this morning. So it's very questionable to see whether these cards are actually going to get their extra +1 for winning 2 games, because a lot of these cards might not actually win 2 games. So just scrolling through, you got Messi. Yeah, they'll probably win both their following games, but a lot of these cards, like, they're not going to get 2 upgrades. A lot of them will only actually get 1, which is very important for the longevity of the card. But from an investment point of view, really the cards I want you to be keeping an eye on are going to be cards like Messi, who actually, let me pull them up real quick. I'm pretty sure Messi has dropped a significant amount. I'm pretty sure he was at 1.4 earlier this week. Yeah, he was. He was at 1.4 and was at 1.18 yesterday. So this guy has actually crashed a significant amount today. He's probably actually going to hit a mil. I'd say he'll probably hit a mil before he starts to rebound, to be completely honest with you. Like, he's down 50k right now. But yeah, a lot of these cards, you're really looking for the players that are in 1st place, because they're the ones to begin with that will more than likely progress to the next stage. So cards I actually like the look of are Lucas Paqueta, Jared Moreno. He's pretty much 20k, but at the end of the day, he's going to get more than likely 2 upgrades. He's not going to have bad stats, and he's not the most desirable card, but with specific boosts to his card, he's not a 20k card. He's going to go up. Wan-Bissaka, he only has competition from Kyle Walker. Pretty sure he sits at about 70k right now. I'll just double check. Wan-Bissaka. Yeah, he's at 80k right now, but his only competition really at right back is Kyle Walker, and he's a slightly cheaper option. Terrier, 85 rated, 90 pace, 85 shooting with 1 or 2 upgrades. He's looking like a very good card. I'm pretty sure Terrier is actually a card that's around discard price right now. So with an upgrade or 2, this card, like, he's in a desirable league. He can actually play striker as well. Yes, he's got 3-star, 3-star, but with some specific upgrades to his specific attributes like agility and balance, this card's going to be unreal. Definitely not a discard value card. You can look to make some money off this card relatively quickly. A lot of these other lads have actually lost and drawn their games. I do want to talk about Rttk though. Rttk halved in price, lads. He literally halved in price after the game this morning. He's probably not going to get the +1 upgrade. He may not even get an upgrade. But regardless, I still really like this card because he is one of the most meta right wingers in the game. One of the most sought after, most desired. He provides a lot of links. And he's just genuinely a good card. lots of people have this man in his teams linked to players like Kessie and Koundé. So don't be surprised if we actually start to see a rebound with this card. He's already on the rise. He's at 175 right now, but I wouldn't be surprised to see this card hit the 200 stage, 225 stage by the time he's out of packs in the next 2 days. I think we will start to see a decent sort of increase on a lot of these cards. Nicholas Sula, for example. Yes, Dortmund may not get through and he may not get 2 wins, but it's a 20k Sula. He's an upgrade from his base card, which is actually 8k right now, but he's an upgrade from his base. He's a good card. He's always a super meta card, and 87 rated for 20k, you can't really go wrong, especially with the links he provides. But yeah, I wouldn't be banking on a lot of these cards to actually get price increases from their upgrades, because that is still another week or 2 away. But I think for the short flipping side of things, there are definitely some good cards out there. But I've actually wrote down a couple cards that will more than likely get upgrades. You're looking at cards such as Moreno, Wan-Bissaka, Odegaard, Torreira, Paqueta. Paqueta is actually a card I really like the look of, purely because it's West Ham. They've got a semi-easy group. They're definitely going to get out of the group, so he's going to go up. He's Brazil, 5-star, 4-star, center mid in the Prem. Like, for 100k with an upgrade or 2 as well, it's a no-brainer. He's definitely going to rise. But yeah, continuing on with my list, you're also looking at potential upgrades for Messi, Muller, Zambo, Foden, and Fede Valverde. So yeah, picks-wise, I'm looking at Lamar, Rafinha, Terrier, Paqueta, Wan-Bissaka, and did I say Rafinha? I'm pretty sure I said Rafinha. And Gerard Moreno. They're the main ones I'm going to be looking at. I'm going to look to start investing in some of those soon. But yeah, that's just my prediction for what's going to happen. I just don't see a world where they don't go up slightly, you know? Like, there is money to be made. It's just picking the right cards to make the money on. Now, I want to talk about Team of the Week investing real quick. We have seen a very interesting trend with Team of the Weeks this year. They don't seem to be holding price very well at all, but on the general consensus of it all, your buy period was always generally going to be a Saturday. Saturday is this year's buy day. I don't know why, it just is, okay? And then Tuesday seems to be the day. Monday, you generally seem to see a rise with a lot of cards, but Tuesday seems to be the day that investors look to start picking up cards. But with Team of the Weeks this year, for some reason, they don't hold their price out of packs. Layout, prime example, has dropped a significant amount since he's actually gone out of packs. So this man, up until today, which is the first or second day he's been out of packs, I think it's the first day he's been out of packs, he's actually dropped 10k, which is a lot. You see people at this high point on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, then you just want to get rid of these cards. I think Team of the Week flipping can be a really good thing this year, with the higher rated super meta cards, the ones that get a lot of links and offer a lot to your team. I think there's a lot of coins to be made as long as you buy and sell at the right time. Now, going on from one layout to another, it is also good to note that this did happen in the hero mess. So there was significant crashes, but it is a good indication of what we can expect for future still. Gold cards that are currently in Team of the Week seem to be at their highest the day before, and they significantly drop when they're in packs, believe it or not. Despite this man having a Team of the Week in packs, he dropped 10k. And what you see here is his cheapest being on a Saturday yet again. And then you start to see the rise. The peak was actually on a Wednesday, but I'd be playing it safe and selling on Tuesday just to maximize your profit before you start to see the dip. If you ever have a gold card that is in a promo team or a Team of the Week or whatever, if he's out of packs for the week, as long as you sell him before the week is over, that is the main thing. You'll see here, as soon as he gets brought back into packs, this man dies. Absolutely dies. Yes, he's a meta card. He's not the super meta, the 50k, 60k meta. But I think it is good to note that this happens. This is becoming an apparel thing. One of his compatriots in Fikayo Tomori, okay? We have seen this man drop. It's purely based on people investing in cards when they find out they're making Team of the Week. It is linked It is leak investing, so to speak. This man was 89k yesterday. Everybody thinks, oh, let's jump on the bandwagon, let's buy. I can guarantee you there was a panic yesterday or the day before when they found out that he was going to be in the team of the week. I bet you he would have flew. Been on Tuesday around this time where we found out. He hits his peak, everybody panic buys, and then everybody thinks, oh, he's out of packs now, let me sell rather than hold. Bang, he crashes. Man is literally 70k right now. I'm going to be looking to pick up a few of these on Saturday purely because I see him rebounding. I think this is a good example of what we can expect for future cards and what we can expect for the metas. You will see people early invest, and with the shared market there is just so much supply, it's not even funny. When they hit this low point, it's going to be your pickup time, and then sell Tuesday, you're making coin. But yeah, just a few takeaways from this video. I just want you to understand that this year isn't about holding cards for a really long time. You really want to be in quickly and then get out quickly with a lot of these cards. The new promo cards, we're gonna have to wait for a few more promos to come out to see how they actually move, but there is definitely profit to be made, but it's a risky market right now. The market is dead, and it's gonna stay dead as long as we keep getting new promos. It is good to note that there is only one promo team for pretty much every promo this year. We haven't seen one with two promo teams yet. From this video, I just want you to know, buy on Saturday. Buy on Saturday, sell on Tuesday. Happy days, we are all making money. And yeah, fingers crossed these investments pay out. Hopefully this video did help you guys understand how the market is kind of navigating at this stage. And yeah, much love. I will catch you in the next one. I will leave my links down in the description below in case you want to come watch any gameplay or just want to chill. I stream on Twitch every Friday and Sunday. I'm trying to post more YouTube videos as well, so please do leave a like down below and tell me what you think. If there's any cards I missed, please let me know. And yeah, much love. It's been your boy, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.